My name is Avas Ashraf, and in this video I am excited to tell you about programming languages for AI. So first we have Python. Python is probably the most famous language for artificial intelligence. It's also known as the most effective language for AI, and a lot of developers prefer to use Python. And a lot of scientists are also comfortable with the Python language. This is partly because the syntaxes which belong to Python are very simple and they can be learned very easily. Decided to be one of the most easiest language to learn, and also many other AI algorithms and machine learning algorithms can be easily implemented in Python because there are a lot of libraries which are predefined functions for these algorithms. Now R is one of the most effective language and environment for analyzing and manipulating the data for statistical purpose. It is a statistical programming language, so using R we can easily produce well-designed publication quality plots, including mathematical symbol and formula wherever needed. It also has predefined functions for machine learning, algorithms, natural language processing, and so on. So R is also a very good choice if you want to get started with programming languages for machine learning for AI. Apart from this, we have Java. Now Java can also be considered as a good choice for AI development. Artificial intelligence has a lot to do with search algorithms, artificial neural networks, and genetic programming. And Java provides many benefits. It's easy to use. This is simplified work with large-scale projects. There is a good user interaction and graphical representation of data, which can be used for making graphs and interfaces. So graphical visualization is actually a very important part of AI, or data science or machine learning for that matter. We also have something known as Lisp. Now, shockingly, a lot of people have not heard of this language. This is actually the oldest and the most suited language for development of artificial intelligence. It is considered to be a language which is very suited for development of artificial intelligence. There is automatic garbage collection in all of that. Many of these features have migrated into many other languages, and that's why a lot of people don't go for Lisp. There are a lot of new languages which have more effective features and better packages you can see. Prolong is a frequently used in knowledge base and expert system. These features provided by Prolong, pattern matching, free-based data structuring, all of these features provide a very powerful and flexible programming framework. Apart from this, we have also C++, famous language, programming language. We have SAS, we have JavaScript, which can also be used for AI. We have MATLAB, we have Julia. All of these languages are actually considered pretty good language for artificial intelligence. But for now, if you ask me which programming language should I go for, I would say Python. Again, I would say Python. Python has all the possible packages and it is very easy to understand. So let's look at a couple of features of Python. We can see why you should go for Python. Python is a popular and versatile programming language known for its simplicity and readability. Number 2, it was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991 and has since become one of the most widely used programming languages in the world. Python is an interpreted high-level general-purpose language that is suitable for a wide range of applications from web development to data analysis, scientific computing, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and more. Some key features of AI Python. Some key features or advantages of Python. Number 1, simple and readable syntax. Number 2, dynamic typing. Number 3, large data library. Number 4, object-oriented programming. 5, extensibility. Number 6, cross-platform capability. Number 7, strong community support. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss out on such sessions.